Yeah, well, mosquitoes do love moisture and rain. We do have some rain coming up, but as of right now, temperatures are pretty calm and quiet. Starting our morning off quiet in the coastal bend. No rain as of right now. High is going to be 97 today. Right now, the most thing that we're worried about this morning is going to be that dew point. We all are fearing very humid right now. Hebbronville and Beeville, you guys are seeing the lowest 68, but overall, still a humid start to our morning. Temperatures bring us to the mid 70s for majority of us, even 83 Port Aransas, 79 the Naval Air Station, as low as 70 down in Hebbronville. Winds are pretty calm, not too much going on in the coastal bend this morning. Temperatures are going to rise to 82 this morning, 9 a.m. So if you're heading out to church or getting the last bit of those barbecue activities or any plans, it's going to be a little warm while you're heading out this morning. Highs are going to rise up from there, not going to stop. 97 in Corpus Christi, 100 out in the west. We have some light winds, southeast 10 to 15 miles per hour for our Labor Day Sunday. That is also going to be reflected across Texas overall. We're all going to be seeing either triple digits or upper 90s here in Texas. That's 101 in Dallas, 99 in Houston. Tomorrow it's about the same thing. Abilene, you're going to see the highest temperature 104, and even Laredo 106 in Texas. So if you're traveling, make sure you're staying safe, and even if you're staying here in the coastal bend, we still need to watch out for the heat. Feel like temperatures are still going to be in the triple digits for majority of us. 106 Corpus Christi, 107 down in Kingsville, and 98 Port Aransas. So the beach is going to have that best feel like temperature. I know it's still going to be warm, but we have to take what we can get. I know we're looking at the heat, and now with the heat, our first day of fall is not until September 23rd. So yes, we still have 20 days until fall is officially here. We have to just take it day by day with the heat, as well as with the heat index values. We notice fall is starting to show that it's on its way by the temperatures. We notice not as warm. No triple digits are expected this week, just with our feel like temperature. Now the air temperature is what's going to be the one that's going to be in the 90s. Once again, feel like temperature is going to be in the triple digits. 112 is expected on Tuesday. That is expected to be our warmest day of the week. That is because we have a few different factors in place. We have this dry air right here coming off the west. That's what's causing this high temperature to remain in the upper 90s. But we do have moisture just off the Gulf. That's what's keeping the heat index and the triple digit values, as well as causing it to rise just a little bit. So we have two different factors in place that are kind of playing against each other, causing to the differences in those temperatures. We noticed that today, pretty dry. Clouds are going to start to come in tomorrow morning just around this same time. We have a few showers that are going to start to move in 4 p.m. just south, moving down from Beeville into Kingsville. But overall, not enough to wash out any plans. Certainly keep those pool parties and barbecues as scheduled. We do have rainfall coverage that is possible on Tuesday evening as well, but for right now, Monday, Labor Day, that's going to be the greatest chances. And as we just saw, it's not that great of a chance. Not all of us are going to see rain. It's going to be very light, and when it does happen, it's going to be over pretty quickly. So no worries about that. The remainder of the week is going to be pretty quiet. Sunny conditions are expected the remainder of our week in the coastal bend. Now, if you also notice, weekend beach cast also looking pretty nice. Rip current risk is low both days. UV index is very high though today as well as Monday. So make sure that you have that sunscreen, extra water, being safe of the heat as well as your skin out there. Temperatures are going to top out to the upper 80s in the air temperature as well as the water. We have a few light winds, southwest 5 miles per hour today, and southeast 5 to 15 miles per hour tomorrow. We notice South Texas is looking pretty quiet as far as the tropics, but we have some activity going on out, but it's not affecting us here in the coastal bend. We're looking at Tropical Storm Gert as well as Tropical Storm Katia. Now 70% chance of development is expected over the next 7 days. Once again, that's not a concern here for us in the coastal bend. We notice temperatures, heat index values are going to be still in the triple digits the next 3 days. Coastal bend with temperatures well above the normal high, which is 93 this time of year. Once again, sunny skies are expected majority of the next 7 days. Lexus.